Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Roy coming at you with Super Ripped 420. And in this one, I'm going to be smoking a blunt and taking a bong rip. Alright. Blunt is sparked. Very nice. Alright, and this blunt, and what I'm going to be smoking in this bong, it's called, got ash marks all over my shorts. It's called, Subway Scientist. It's 23%. And, this blunt's falling apart. Much better. Alright, I think I'm gonna pick a bong rip. I'm gonna light it with the blowtorch. Oh, what's that? I actually forgot I already had a bowl packed. That's funny as fuck. Alright. Fuck, this thing rips, dude. Smoking the old eye. Guess I could show you the nug. It's like bright. It's like a dark purple with orange, like bright orange, and then green. It's like all the colors ever. It's so trippy, man. This is so trippy. Oh, blunt. Yes. Huh. Bong rip. I shall. I have some weed broken up. Oh, I'm just not on the ball today. Like, I'm forgetting about so much shit. Gotta keep it going. Gotta keep it going. I'll quickly take the bong rip. Oh, baby. I'm feeling a little high right now. But, I think I'm gonna cut this one short because I gotta go finish watching my Stranger Things. Peace.